Hello, this is David here again. I would like to introduce M3 9005 LED headlight bulb. Yes, 9005 LED bulb has another name is HB3. So HB3 is 9005. From the outlook, you can see it's very similar to the H11. Yeah, you can see this. This is H11. From the outlooking, it's almost the same. You can tell too much difference, but this part is different, and paying distance is different. You can see this one. H11, the true paying distance is very short, and this one is H11. The paying of H11 is a little longer. Yeah, that's the difference. And you can see this one. H11 has a port here to stop the plug, and there's nothing here for 9005, 9006. But there's a big one here, and H11 have one here too. H11 have three. Yeah, you can see 1, 2, 3. Three stop here. And 9005, 9006, we have one here. So that's the difference between the H11 and 9005. In fact, I like Excellence series and LED headlight bulbs. Okay, let's open the housing because I have used the screwdriver to I will lose the bolt from the bottom, so I can open the housing directly. Moment please, force the housing. Patch. Yeah, I'll just move the fan here in the pink. Sorry. So all parts are here. Let's have a check the M3H11 LED headlight bulb. This part is the housing. It's metal, aluminum. Yeah. And this part, see, this is copper circuit board, and this is very cheap LED. And the copper will transfer the heat from the very chip. And this is the driver. This part is the driver to supply the currents to the fan chip. And this is the fan. Yeah, the fan to cool the whole bulb. And this is the pin. So it's very easy. So now we have the first we have the settle the hole to the port here, and settle the pins plug here, because this two part is very important to a board. Here, settled inside. And slot the fan to the right position. Yeah, okay. The social point is very good. You have to watch it. Now, one bob is almost ready. You just use the screwdriver. Just use the screwdriver to fasten the bolts here, here, and here. So it goes to everything's just set up. I like this bob. Thank you for watching. That's all about the M3 9005 LED headlight bulb. It's good. Nice. I hope you love it. Compare H11. It's good job. And thank you.